Hello children, good morning and welcome back to English class. Children, from today onwards we are going to start the revision work. So today we will do the revision of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 from grammar book. So let's begin it. So children, in our earlier class we have already learnt about nouns. So can you tell me what are nouns? Yes, nouns are the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So let's see the examples also. Now nouns are name of person. Now example of person can be boy, girl, mom, dad, brother, sister, doctor, teacher, etc. Now name of place. Examples are park, garden, forest, school, etc. Name of animal or bird: horse, parrot, hen, dog, lion, tiger, etc. Now name of things: it can be pencil, desk, ring, lunchbox, etc. So children, these all are also known as naming words. Naming words are also known as nouns. Understood? So I hope that you have understood the concept of nouns. Now let's move forward towards the types of nouns. Children, in chapter number 2, we have learnt two types of nouns. Can you tell me what are they? Yes, the first type of noun is common noun and the second type of noun is proper noun. Now let's learn in detail about these types of nouns. The first is the common noun. Common noun are also known as the general names of person, place, animal or thing. Now let's see some examples. Now on the image, children, can you tell me who is he? Yes, he is a clown. Children, have you seen clown? Yes, you have seen. I have seen in a circus. Now here clown is a general name of the person. Now the second example. They live in city. Now here city is a general name of the place. The third example is on the image. Can you tell me which animal is this? Yes, this is a dog. Now here dog is a general name for the animal. Now the next one is very yummy. This is a cake. Very good. Now on your birthday you cut cake, isn't it? Now here cake is a general name for the thing. So I hope that you have understood the concept of common noun. Now common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of a title. Now let's learn the second type of noun, that is proper nouns. Now children, proper nouns are also known as the special names. Special names of people, places, pets, days, months, organizations, etc. Now let's see some examples. Now again, this is a picture of a clown. Now children, see the sentence, read it. John the clown entertains the people in the circus. Now here you can see clown is having name. The name of the clown is John. So here John is a special name for the clown. Now I hope that you have understood the difference between common noun and proper noun. Now see the next picture. It is a picture of a city. They live in Mumbai. Now you can see here the name of the city is Mumbai. So here Mumbai is a special name for the city. Now let's see the third example. Now this is a dog. Now the dog's name is Bruno. Now the name of the dog is given here. That is Bruno. So here Bruno is the special name for the dog. So Bruno is proper noun and you can see that B is capital. So proper noun always begins with capital letter. Understood? Now children, all proper noun begins with the capital letter. Now in the first example you can see John the clown entertains people in the circus. Now here John is a proper noun because it is a name of a particular clown. So you can see J is capital because proper noun always begins with capital letter. Now see the next one. They live in Mumbai. Now the name of the city is Mumbai. So Mumbai is a proper noun because it is a name of a particular city. So you can see M is capital. So it is a proper noun. Now the third one. The dog's name is Bruno. Now Bruno is a name of a dog. It is a name of a particular dog. So you can see here B is capital because proper noun always begins with capital letter. Understood, children? Very good. So I hope that you have understood the concept of noun and their two types, that is common noun and proper noun. So children, revise it properly, and if you face any kind of difficulty, you are feel free to call me or message me. Understood? Now on the basis of these two chapters, I have uploaded one worksheet. So what you have to do? You have to do that worksheet in your copy. Understood? And if you face any problem, you can contact me for your query. Thank you and have a blessed day.